Welcome to Storytime English, where we enjoy stories and practice English at the same time. Today, Easter Island, giant statues and ancient secrets. In the middle of the Pacific Ocean, far from any big city, there is a small island. It is called Easter Island, or Rapa Nui, its native name. This island belongs to Chile, but it feels like another world. It is quiet, green, and full of wind. The ocean is always close. Waves crash against the black rocks. The sky is wide and blue. But what makes this island special are the giant stone faces. All across the island, you can see them. Tall heads with deep eyes and serious mouths. Some are standing, some have fallen. Many look toward the center of the island, not the sea. They are called moai. The moai are huge. Some are over 10 meters tall. Some weigh more than 80 tons. They were carved from stone by the island's people hundreds of years ago, around 1250 to 1500 CE. But how? There were no big tools, no metal, no wheels, just human hands, stone tools, and great effort. The people of Rapa Nui moved these giant statues from the quarry, called Rano Raraku, all the way across the island. Some believe they used logs, ropes, and teamwork. Others say they walked the statues, rocking them from side to side like a person. Nobody knows for sure. And that is just one of the many mysteries. Why were they built? Who do the faces represent? Some people think they are ancestors, old leaders, or important people. Others say they are protectors, keeping the island safe. There are about 1,000 moai on the island. Many were placed on platforms called ahu, some of which also served as tombs. But here is something many people don't know. The moai don't just have heads. Most also have bodies, buried under the ground. They have long torsos and even carved hands. Only the heads are visible, because over time, the earth covered the rest. In recent years, archaeologists have started to uncover them, revealing beautiful details. And another surprise. The island was once covered with trees, a green paradise. But over time, the trees disappeared. Some say the people used them to move the moai. Others believe it was a mix of farming, rats eating seeds, and natural changes. This caused problems: less food, less wood, harder life. Some people think it led to conflict, even war. But Rapa Nui is not just a sad story. It is also a story of culture, survival, and rebirth. The islanders still live there today. They speak Rapa Nui in Spanish. They sing, dance, and tell stories about their ancestors. And they take care of the moai, cleaning them, protecting them, and sharing their meaning with the world. To visit Easter Island is to step into a place of deep silence and mystery. To walk near a moai is to feel something ancient, something powerful. The moai remind us that people, even in the most distant places, have always tried to connect with the past, and leave something behind for the future. Did you know? Some of the giant statues on Easter Island have hats made of red stone. These are called pukao. No one knows exactly why only some statues have them, or how they were placed on top of the heads, especially since some statues are over 10 meters tall. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Want to discover more mysteries of the world while improving your English? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell.